So guys, I am supposed to claim this particular reward right here. You can see $20,000. I'm supposed to be among the people that are going to be claiming this $20,000 right here, but I will not be among, because you can see it has been sold out. I came very late, and right now people have already bought the chances of sharing from this $20,000. All right, so you can see this reward right here. You can get it by using 100 diamond. All right, so on this video I'm going to be telling you about diamond. Also, I'm going to be telling you about candies. Now, diamond and candies are the two elements that you need to be able to receive free gifts from CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So right now guys, this is a very simple thing, and this is what you need to be doing every single day. If you are a newbie or if you are new to crypto space, you are supposed to be doing this every single day, as it is going to be positioning you to get a lot of reward. Not just that, it's also going to be positioning you to learn a lot in this crypto space. All right, so what I need you to do right now, if you're a crypto newbie, is to make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be letting you know the chances you stand to gain by doing what I'm about to show you right here on this particular video. So first of all, what is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko? Now, both CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, we also have another one called Coin Paprika, but I don't like using that particular one. So these are they call it coin aggregators. Now, what are coin aggregators? Coin aggregators are they are kind of a platform that gives a broad statistic data of a coin or exchanges. To put it in a very simple term, coin aggregators allows you to see a lot of things about cryptocurrency. For example, with coin aggregator, you can easily watch the price of Bitcoin. You can easily watch the coins that are trading on certain exchanges. You can easily see any information at all that you are searching for as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. All right, so this is what coin aggregator is, and we have like three of them. The one I know, we have CoinMarketCap, which is this one I'm currently on, and we also have CoinGecko, which is this one, and we have another one called Coin Paprika, but I'm not talking about that one for today. Now we are going to be starting with CoinGecko. Like I told you guys already, CoinGecko gives you a lot of data concerning any cryptocurrency, but because of time, I'm going to be focusing only on what we call diamond. You can see diamond icon up here. Now on CoinMarketCap we have diamond, on CoinGecko we have candies. Now let me click on this diamond button right now. So once you click on this diamond button, you are going to be it's going to prompt you to visit the diamond page. You click on it. So over here we are collecting diamond every single day. We are collecting diamond. Now this diamond that we are collecting right here is very, very important, because we can claim a lot of reward using this diamond. Just like the example that I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, the program that I'm supposed to join to share from $20,000, you can only join it if you have enough diamond. Now you can see from here I have 6,910 diamond. To collect diamond, you simply need to come over here, scroll down, click on collect diamond. Now first of all, you need to create your CoinMarketCap account and also create your CoinGecko account. I'm going to be leaving the link to these two websites right there on the video description box. So over here I have claimed 10 diamond for today. I've claimed 10 diamond for today, so I will click on OK. Now I need to wait until tomorrow before I can claim another one. You can see I've claimed it for today. Okay, so right now, if you want to be exchanging this diamond that you are collecting here, if you want to be exchanging it for something very, very profitable, simply click over here that we have diamond reward. Click on it. Now once you click on it, it is going to show you a lot of things that are available. You can use your diamond to get those things. Now when I scroll down, you can see we have this one. If this one allows you to spend 200 diamond for you to get 15% off if you are buying this consensus Miami 2026 ticket. It gives you 15% off. All right, if you are buying it. Now scrolling down, you can see there are a lot of opportunities right here that you can grab using only your diamond. Now you can see when I scroll down to this one, which I told you I missed, you can see it also gives you free data. You can use your diamond to get free data if you are using eSIM. Okay, now when I scroll down right here, I want to be showing you something real quick. When I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that if I saw this earlier, I would have used just 100 diamond to participate on this particular event that is sharing $20,000, and this $20,000 is going to be shared to the people who have bought this using diamond. Now you can see 10,000 persons bought this, meaning that 10,000 persons are going to be sharing this $20,000. Now if you do the calculation, you can see that with your diamond you are getting real fortune, you are getting real money. So this is all for CoinMarketCap. There are a lot of things you can do right here on CoinMarketCap, but we are not going to be talking about it right now. Now even if you click on load more, you will get to find out that there are a lot of things that you can use the diamond to exchange. A lot of things, a lot of airdrop, a lot of NFT you can use your diamond to exchange. Now you can see a good things actually you can see earn up to $10,000 monthly when you take your hero into battle. So if you have got this NFT, you can see that you will use it to start making money. You can see this type of NFT doesn't last long. That is why you need to be checking in every single day to see any new reward that they have brought out. You can see anyone that says sold out is already sold out, meaning that there is none left for you to buy. Okay, now when you come to CoinGecko, let me show you something real quick. Over here on CoinGecko, we have what we call candies. Now before you check candies, you need to sign in. So when I click over here on menu, you can see my candy. I will click on it. So once you click on it, let me show you something real quick. Over here I have got about 10,140 candies, and with these candies you can get a lot of reward. Now when I click on collect candy, you will get to see that I have just collected candy right now. The more you collect every single day, the more the reward tends to increase. Now when I scroll down, you can see that with your candy you can get a lot of reward spending just little amount of candies. With your candies you can get a lot of reward. You can see this one gives you $200 reward, this one gives you up to $10,000 reward. With your candy you can get all this. Now when you scroll down, you can see that there are a lot of reward. You can use your candies to buy even books. You can use your candies to exchange for a lot of things. All right, so I believe this video is actually impactful. If you enjoyed it, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting. Most importantly, if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe so that whenever we post any new video, you will get to find out about it immediately. Now let me know your thoughts right there on the comment section. Most importantly, you know we talk about airdrop a lot on this channel, so let me know on the comment section the airdrop that you are farming very aggressively this period. Now remember to take your grass airdrop mining very serious. It is coming to an end. Also remember to take your social value airdrop very serious. Take your social value airdrop very serious. Do well to complete your real user verification. It is very important for you to qualify for the airdrop. All right, so I'm going to be stopping here right now. So do well to let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Do not forget to drop your airdrop, the airdrop that you are currently farming. Drop it on the comment section. Let others join you. All right, let others join you. All right, thank you for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.